Alright guys, so in today's video, here is going to be the ultimate guide teaching you how you can start extracting emails from local business sites. So if you want to get started with having such data that looks like this, you can see here on my screen, I teach what I preach. So you can see I have the data of informations, alright, of local businesses. And in today's video, I'm going to show you two methods of how you can do it all right by yourself. Now, if you want to get access to thousands of local businesses, alright, the best place you can find them is right here on Google Maps. Okay, so here on Google Maps, you can have access to thousands of local businesses. And now once you are able to get all of those business data, all right, once you're able to locate all of those businesses, it's one thing for you to start extracting their emails. So the first thing you have to do is to come over to Google Maps, okay, and make sure that you have tons of result for the local business that you're trying to target. Now, for instance, now practically you can see I'm actually trying to target gym in Texas, right? And you can see gym in Texas, USA has a lot of a lot of gym shops here, okay, or a lot of gym reservations and all like that. You can see that we have quite a number of them. Now, once you've been able to identify and verify that we have a lot of persons that we are trying to target, the next thing for us to do is to just start extracting their emails. And how do you do it? It's simple. Now, the first method on how you can get this done is by making use of an extension, right? So this extension called Email Hunter is one thing that would help you start extracting emails from any websites that you land yourself on. Now, let me show you how it works. So let's say I come over to my sheet here, okay, and let me just go ahead and open any any website URL. Right, let me just go ahead and see. Let me open any website URL and let's see what happens. So I have this tool installed into my computer and I want you to also do the same thing. So once you've been able to install, you can say my see remove from Chrome because I have it installed. So here on this page, okay, here on this website, if I want to get the email address of this particular website, how do I get to do it? It's simple. Once the extension is installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and pin the extension. And once I did pin the extension, you can see we have this icon right here. Now, if you go ahead and open up this icon, okay, now you can see what happens. This those extension automatically scrapes the website data and help you extract only the email address of this particular website. Now, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So once you find yourself on any website of your choice, now let me go back to Google Maps and probably explain much more better. Let me just see some things here. So let's say I just want to get the email address of this particular gym station. Let me go ahead and opening up this, okay. And once I do open it, you can see they have a website here. I can go ahead and open up the website. So if I click on open up, okay, now let's see what happens. You can see we have this website right here, and if I want to get the email address, okay, of this particular website, probably for cold outreach or for any marketing purposes, I can go ahead and click on this icon. If I click on the icon, it's going to help me extract. You can see that they have no email address located here, but maybe I go to the second page. Okay, let's say if I go to the contact us page, and right here I go ahead and I click on the icon again, guys, you can see what happens. So it scrapes the website and help me extract only the email address. Now, the problem about this is that this is much more much more, will I use the word, it's slow basically, because how many websites do you have to open to start getting their email addresses? So I want to show you another method that can be automated. So even while you do something else, the system is just going to keep on helping you extract all the data, all the email addresses found on particular website. Now, how do you do it? It's simple. Now, I actually make use of this tool called Lead Sniper, and I know I've spoken about those two quite well here on my YouTube channel, and the reason is because I've seen this tool work. This is something I can vouch for, and this is something a lot of top marketers out there can also vouch for. So I want to share with you things that me myself I personally use, not the things that I just see I have not tested out and I'm talking to you about it. No. So right here on Lead Sniper, you can see Lead Sniper has three products. Basically, we have the Google Map Scraper, the Google Search Yellow Page Scraper. Right, these are the three scrapers that I know of. And for today's video, you can actually make use of this Google Map Scraper, and this is something I make use of all the time to extract emails from local businesses. And this is actually being done on autopilot without me stressing myself. So I'm going to install the tool, which also works as an extension. So once you've been able to install the tool into your computer, you can see, just go ahead and type in any local business of your choice, including the location that you are trying to target. Now you can see I have plumbers in California, plumbers in Texas, plumbers in Florida, plumbers in New York, and all like that. Now let's go ahead and use the software. but let's go ahead and use this tool to start extracting the email address from all those local business sites. So let's go ahead and click on start. So if you do click on start, okay, you can see what's going to be happening now automatically all by itself. You can see now, just look at this place now, all by itself without me doing anything. Those extension will begin to help me extract all the email address, okay, of those local businesses. So it is very easy and much more simple for you to use an automated tool like Lead Sniper to start helping you extract the emails from local business websites. So if you've been able to get access to Lead Sniper, trust me, this is one tool that you don't want to miss at all. So if you allow this to run for a while, you'll be able to get a data result that looks like this. So this is what the tool is capable of doing. This is what the tool did for me. And you can see that all the data has been arranged appropriately. You can see I have the website of the website URL of the local business, and also have the email address, which is very much more important. And in addition to that, I have many other informations concerning the businesses here. Now, once you've been able to get all of this data and you're so happy, I want to show you something else as a bonus tip that would help you do so fine right here on marketing. Now, you want to use tools like ExactVerify, all right, to start verifying your leads. Now, let me tell you something. The reason why you need to verify is just to give yourself an additional, all right, boost or confidence when trying to reach out to your audiences, or when trying to reach out to your client or your quote guys. Now, the reason is this: because so many websites are actually outdated, and some of them have their website link broken, and some of them have their email address maybe banned. You don't know, right? You don't know actually. So you want to do all to also verify your emails. It is very important. So I can use this tool called ExactVerify to start verifying all the email addresses being provided by this tool called Lead Sniper, right? All those all those data, all right, being provided by Lead Sniper, I can use ExactVerify, right, to verify all of the emails. And trust me, this is something that works so perfectly well and so easy. So how do you get emails? It's simple. All you have to do is to come over to Google Maps, all right, verify that you have tons of thousands of your distinct, all right, local business, right? Now, once you've been able to get that, you can actually use tools like what's it called? You can use tools like an email hunter to get their emails. And if you don't want to do this manually, if you don't want to waste your time doing manually, you can go ahead and use a tool known as Lead Sniper, and this tool is going to help you start extracting all the emails of local businesses all by itself without you doing the work at all. So tell me, which one are you going to prefer? Are you going to prefer doing the manual method or the paid method, actually, which is the Lead Sniper tool? So let me know what you think about this video down in the description box below, and trust me, this is going to be helping so many of you out there start doing so fine when it comes to email extraction of local businesses. So if you found this video helpful, smash the like button in appreciation, and if you have any question, you can let me know down in the comment section below, and I will love to answer your question. Until then, please take care of yourself and have a good day.